Bands, that's a check talking. Take all your pants, bitch, ain't no time for talking. Want me do my dance, bands in my pocket.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is just gonna be a Pop Smoke braid tutorial. If you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. I'm basically doing like some Pop Smoke braids. They're not necessarily like perfect, and I did do them big. I did them kind of like thick, and I did them short. I didn't do them like, you know, super long, you know, like down to my butt type stuff, because, you know, I don't want super duper long cornrows. I already lengthened up my hair, so if my hair looks like it got shorter, it did. I cut it. I can't even put it in a bun right now. I used this, okay, what is this? Do Grow Hair Vitalizer, that stuff. I used this, okay. I'm gonna be using this like as I part my hair, and I also used some shea butter for the ends of my hair. It's already on the ends of my hair, so but yeah, touching up my hair, so I'm not using new braiding hair. This is the braiding hair that was already in my hair. Use your comb. It doesn't matter what kind of comb you end up using. Just make sure that your area is flat.
Sauce plugging little beats. Sauce plugging little beats.
I'm back. My hair is dipped. I did not curl the ends like I wanted to because the little curling thing. Nah, I'm gonna put a picture right there. I was gonna curl my ends with that, but I can't find it, and I only have one. But I'm about to do my edges. You're gonna need this right here. Edge control of your choice, some oil, some hairspray. So I'm about to go ahead and put this oil on the parts of my hair because those are exposed and I don't need my hair drying out. Okay. And this is the Do Grow Mega Thick formula. There it is. So I'm just taking it and putting it on my edges. You could put this on before you braid, but I don't do that. It's really just up to you. I got y'all, but I like to part it like over here and bring it around. I like to bring it around some. Okay. There. The edges are done. I really don't got that much left, y'all. Like, this is really sad. Put that on. When I wrap up my hair, I put it in a ponytail, and I'm about to spray this on my hair. So this is just gonna give me good hold since my hair is fresh. Ooh, we all got our own methods of doing stuff. That's just mine. But I only do that when I get cornrows. And normally I go get them done. This is my first time doing my own. So. And there, my hair is wrapped up. And then this part is just gonna go in a bonnet, so. Thank y'all for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends and stuff. R.I.P Pop Smoke. Yeah. Thank y'all. Bye.